When your big shed arrives, you receive 3 important documents that work hand in hand to make your build smooth from the get-go. You'll need all 3 to get the full picture. Let's start with the order summary, which is your bill of materials. It lists every item included in your big shed kit. We take great care when packing your big shed order and double check everything that goes in. Our order summary acts as a handy checklist to help you tick off everything as you unpack it. Next up, engineering plans. These are essential for council approval and also serve as proof that your big shed meets the Australian standards. They outline all the technical details, including installation and construction requirements. You will find wind ratings, load capacities and structural specs, all signs of a shed-safe project that can stand strong, safe and tough once built. Lastly, the construction package. This supplements your engineering plans and includes easy to follow instructions and detailed diagrams, plus a QR code linking to a handy shed installation guide. Whether it's your first time, a pro, or having a team of builders put your big shed together, this guide will help point you in the right direction. With your order summary, construction package, and engineering plans, you're all set for a stress-free build. Ready to get started? Let's go.